In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bet slip on OneXBet. The procedure will be very simple to do. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a OneXBet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to by email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code, you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video. Well, first you are going to look for the matches that you want to make your bet slip. For example, if I should take this match, I will click on it. Now you will select the option that you want to bet. If I should take at the level of 2x double chance, I will click on it. Now I will click on add to bet slip. Then by adding on your bet slip, you will just be able to add again other matches. For example, if I should take again this match, for example, I click also on it, selecting the option or choosing the option that fits best for you. If I should take at the level of both teams to score, no, I just click on it again and I click on add to bet slip before first betting. I will now come here at bet slip, where you will see this table to confirm the bet and the money that you want to put so as to bet on it. Now you will just put the amount of money from here. You can see plus, minus, whereas to add the amount on plus and now decrease the amount on minus. Now you will just click now on bet. You can see that first your bet slip is already full and there is a lot of match with 19.206 odds, and then you will just click on bet if you want also to add order, and it is as simple as that.